First, watch this video. Welcome back everyone. Today I'll show you how to create AI videos. I'll show you how to do it completely for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
First, open your Google browser and then open ChatGPT for video prompts. Now type, "Give me a Veo video prompt." You can choose any topic you like. It could be romantic, action, travel, nature, fantasy, or anything else. Since it's rainy weather, let's create a beautiful romantic cinematic video. As you can see, my ChatGPT is already customized to generate complete Veo prompts. Now, copy the first 4 scenes from the prompt. Next, open Google and search for Veo AI. Open the first website and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on New Project. Now, upload your male and female character photos. These reference images will help keep the same characters throughout the video. After that, use the same video settings shown on your screen. Now, click on both character photos and select Add to Prompt. Paste the copied prompt into the prompt box. Don't forget to add the negative prompt at the end. Once everything looks good, simply press Enter. Now wait a few seconds while the AI generates your first cinematic clip. When it's ready, play the clip once and carefully check if everything looks correct. If you notice any small issue, you can easily regenerate that scene before moving to the next one. Now click the frame icon. Copy the next scenes from the prompt and paste them into the new frame. Again, add the same character photos so the AI keeps the faces consistent. Within a few seconds, your second clip will also be ready with the same characters and cinematic style. Repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until your full story is complete. Now, download all generated clips one by one. Now let's remove the watermark. Open Google and search for Remove Gemini Watermark. Open the first website. Select the video option and upload your downloaded clip. Click the Cleanup button. The website will automatically detect and remove the watermark in just a few seconds. Download the clean version of the video. Now, repeat the same process for all your remaining clips. Once all the clips are ready, open CapCut. Import every clip into your project. Arrange them on the timeline in the correct order. Now, play the entire video from beginning to end. If you find any unwanted scenes or extra frames, simply trim or remove them. Once everything looks smooth, select all the clips and create a compound clip. This makes editing much easier and keeps your timeline organized. Now, let's improve the overall look of the video. Apply the same 4K color grading settings shown on the screen. These settings will give your video a more cinematic and professional look. Next, mute the original AI-generated audio. Now add any background music that matches the mood of your video. Play the entire video one more time. And make sure everything looks perfect. If you're happy with the final result, simply export the video from CapCut using your preferred quality settings. And that's it. Your professional cinematic AI video is now ready to upload.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more high-quality AI prompts, just type prompt in the next video.